Samsung Galaxy S26 series will set the stage on fire in early 2026 with its excellent specs and features. Now its battery technology is the new controversial topic in amongst tipsters. Let's take a closer look at the new Galaxy S26 battery report. It's already clear that Samsung is working on new battery technologies to upgrade the battery power of its future Galaxy devices. A few days back, it was reported that Samsung is developing silicon carbon batteries and is expected to implement them with the Galaxy S26 series. The company has not revealed a single detail regarding the Galaxy S26 series yet, but leaks and rumors have already started blowing in the market. Now, a reliable tipster, Anthony, shared a post on X claiming that Samsung is facing difficulties in developing silicon carbon batteries, which might push back the implementation on the coming flagship Galaxy phones. The tipster also hints that the difficulty could force Samsung to offer the same ritual battery to the Galaxy S26. Reportedly, in case the company not implement silicon carbon technology to the Galaxy S26 series, then it could offer a slightly larger battery. However, currently there's no official word regarding this report, so it remains to be seen exactly what will happen next and how the company will deal with this difficulty. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.